Hello, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. Also we can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options we can adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for individual apps. Next we can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable automatic brightness, and sunlight mode. Then we can enable reading mode and also schedule it. Then we can change reading mode, type, and we can adjust them. Then we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard, and also color temperature. Next we can change refresh rate between maximum and standard. Then we can change font, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.